Hi guys, before we proceed our video today sa paggawa ng ating recipe today, kung saan man kayo na nakapapanood ng ating video, saan man nakaabot yung ating video for today, please like and comment. Thank you so much sa nagsusuporta sa ating video araw-araw at shout out sa manonood, yun sa aking mga tagapanood. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. So sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, please subscribe Donna Rosa Vlog. So ayan, hit the button and all the notification is yours. So, ayan guys, magpo-proceed tayo sa ating menu for today. Ayan, what's out? Gawa na naman tayo ng pasta. Walang ano yan, walang oil. Pinainit ko lang yung kawali. And then, lagay yung tomatoes. And then, takpan natin. Ayan. Ayan na guys, nag-ano na yung ating tomatoes. Konti lang kanyang juice. Ano ba yan? So, ayan. Kasi isang ano lang naman yung ating gagawin. Isang serve lang. So, hindi masyadong madaming tomatoes. Yung onion at saka garlic. Ayan. Nilagay ko siya. So, after that, lagyan natin ng butter. Ayan, maging dry na yung ating sauce. Natin ng butter. So, igisa natin. Meron ako natirang minced beef, ilagay din natin sa ating pasta. Just okay. So lang, a little bit of water. Ayan. Kasi wala tayong tawag dito, wala tayong cream. So, lagyan natin siya ng a little bit of milk. Okay. Lagyan natin ng a little bit of milk. Medyo creamy. Kasi nilagyan natin siya ng butter. Milk and butter. Ayan. Straight yung aking pagka-video. Sorry guys. Medyo palikot yung aking kamay. Wala tayong stand. Ito yung minsan na pa bigla na magbablog. Ayan. So, ayan tuloy. So, okay. Lagyan natin ng salt, pepper, and paprika. So, ayan. At ilagay na natin yung ating pasta.
Pets in the vlog, spreading happy vibes. Morning to night, she shares her day. Simple moments in a special way. Cute little paws walking by her side. Pets in the vlog, spreading happy vibes. Morning to night, she shares her day. Simple moments in her special way. Donna Rosa, keep the light so strong. In every vlog you belong. spreading happy vibes. Morning to night, she shares her day, simple moments in her special way. Joy is always there.
Ayan na guys, ito yung ating siserve.
Joy is always
So,
there.
ito yung ating
Cute little
pasta
paws
for
walking
today.
by her side.
So, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng Donna Rosa Vlog, please
Morning to
subscribe.
night, she shares her
Donna
day,
Rosa Vlogs,
simple
like and comment.
in her special
Kung saan man
way.
kayo sa sulok ng mundo,
Joy is always there.
please comment what country you are, and then
Joy
Donna
is
Rosa
always there.
will back to you. Thank
Walking by her
you.
side, pets in the vlog, spreading happy vibes. Morning to night, she shares her day, simple moments in her special way.
Don't forget to subscribe, DONAROSA Vlog.